How to make him beg for your attention. You've been eyeing that handsome man at your office for weeks now, but you have no idea how to get him to ask you out. You don't want to appear desperate, but you also don't want to miss your chance. So, how do you grab a guy's attention? And more importantly, how can you make him beg for your attention? Don't worry. Continue watching for 11 guaranteed ways to grab and retain his attention. These are easy steps you may take to boost the chance of being asked out by that special someone. Use these tips and watch the date requests flood in. Whether you're single and seeking love or simply want to spice up your present relationship, these 11 suggestions can help you achieve what you want. There's something here for everyone, from subtle hints to loud gestures. So go ahead and try until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Be sexually attractive. I know I have talked about this in previous videos as well, but let's be honest. One of the first things he's going to notice about you is your looks. If what you're doing isn't catching his attention, try spicing things up a little. Try putting on a sexier outfit. Yet, even tiny modifications like letting your hair down instead of tying it up might assist, and brighter lipstick colors can draw attention to your lips. Now, here's the thing, don't overdo it. If you attempt to present yourself in a way that contradicts who you are, you will get his attention, but probably not in the way you want. Hence, try to pick a look that flatters you and complements your personality. 2. Show your cute side. Don't be put off by the term cute. You'd be surprised at what men find cute and how easily you may demonstrate it to them. It is critical to seem confident and serious, and to have your act together. Yet, every now and again, you may catch his attention by breaking the mold. When you're clumsy, he'll swoop down and help you up. You may show him your quirky, humorous, and playful side by creating a funny face. If you spill some of your drink, laugh it off. Talk to him with cute nicknames and pick food from his plate secretly. Create a milk mustache or a crumb on your cheek. These lovely little things will undoubtedly register on his radar, and he'll want you in his pocket right away. Of course, you should not pretend to be cute. It is a huge turn-off. Instead, don't be afraid to show your true cuteness. 3. Make an entrance. Men adore it when women make an entrance. Therefore, the next time you go out in the town, make sure you put your best foot forward. Make an eye-catching entrance, whether you're going dancing or meeting your friends for dinner. If you're going to a house party, turn up late and speak with everyone before going inside. When you first visit somewhere new, it's always enjoyable to keep your cool. If you're going out for drinks with your best friends, go in confidently and let your personality shine. 4. Let love find you. If you're always looking for love but haven't found it yet, it may be time to let go and believe that love will find you when you least expect it. Men like women who are intriguing and exciting to be around. So if you want to find a guy who understands your sense of humor, pay attention to the people you hang out with. 5. Show him your quirks and weird interests. It's a difficult world for women out there. We're taught to be polite and to speak politely so that we don't offend anyone. While this is true, it may also make you appear, well, boring. And the last thing a guy wants from a girl he's chatting to is for her to be boring and uninteresting. Therefore, don't be scared to show him your quirks and odd hobbies. Avoid filtering yourself too much. Speak what you mean and be shameless about it. You may also demonstrate your personality in more straightforward ways so that he can connect with you. He will be attracted to you if you demonstrate what makes you special. 6. Flirt and tease a little. Every guy will appreciate a little flirting. It's an obvious indication that you're interested. The occasional subtle tease, the type that leaves him thinking, wait, did she just hit on me? Will turn him on without coming on too aggressively. As he enters the room, use body language such as turning your hips and shoulders toward him without crossing your arms. If you're familiar with and on speaking terms, you can lightly touch his shoulder while conversing and nod in agreement. Even stretching your neck will pique his interest. Remember that subtlety is the key. There's a narrow line between sexy and awkward, so don't go overboard and keep it light. 7. Bond over shared interests. I'm sure you're as intrigued about him as he is about you, so why not strike up a conversation? You may chat about your hobbies, and something in common between you two will undoubtedly come up. When he realizes you're on the same wavelength, he'll remember you and put you under women I want to marry someday. You can pursue passions such as art, music, literature, or athletics. Or perhaps you have similar movie tastes. Don't give up hope if his preferences aren't precisely your cup of tea. You can demonstrate an eagerness to learn about them. Finding common ground can increase your chances of spending time together and bring you closer together. 8. Make I want you eye contact. According to studies, those who look others in the eyes are more pleasant and trustworthy. Yet there's something more obvious. You're interested. There is a connection formed when you look at him and he looks back. The longer he holds your gaze, the more tension builds up and various chemical responses occur, forcing your brain and heart to race. Keep as much eye contact as possible. Sparks will undoubtedly fly, and you will feel warm and fuzzy. Establishing eye contact is an intimate gesture that fosters emotions of vulnerability, since it appears as though you are seeing directly into his soul. When you hold your gaze on him, he feels unique and valued. He'll know you're paying attention to him. And don't look for too long, or you'll make him uncomfortable. 9. Let him hunt. If you truly want to find love, sometimes the greatest thing you can do is take a step back and allow him to make the first move whenever possible. If you're continually chasing after men, they could start playing hard to get just to keep things interesting. But if you take a more passive attitude in your relationships, they'll only become more drawn to you in the long term. 10. Give him a little push. If he has a crush on you but is too nervous to make a move, give him a gentle push in the right direction by making eye contact, smiling at him, and then glancing away as if you too are shy. By making the first step, you may show him that he is not alone in his emotions. 11. Surprise him. You may lose out on fateful encounters since some folks are too preoccupied with their own world. To actually get them to glance up and snap out of their reverie, you have to hit the appropriate buttons. This means doing something unexpected, such as bringing him a gift or a friendly card if you're close enough. You could want to bring his favorite donuts to help him get through a tough day at work. If monetary presents aren't your thing, you may always rely on excellent timing and some acting to accidentally grab his hand or brush shoulders. Although it may be embarrassing for you both, a flustered reaction or flush can also be adorable and sweet. These sudden acts of intimacy will alert him of your existence. A positive reaction indicates that he is interested in learning more about you. And in the end, don't give up. Don't just let someone go if you genuinely like him. There are techniques to capture his attention and make your crush a real thing. Remember that you must also take care of yourself. Working out is an excellent method to increase your self-esteem, so join in the fun. Men admire confident women, so keep your head held high and smile as you go by the object of your affection. Remember, with time and care, you can turn that guy from someone you notice in the office into the guy you go on an awesome date with. Who knows, perhaps there will be a happily ever after. Thanks for watching.